daw, my love.
Ano daw?
Yes.
Okay. Still sunny out, so we thought we'd finish this project, huh?
Okay. Very nice weather, yeah?
It's not a very nice looking light, yeah?
Yes, mahal.
Little nalugi, diba?
Opo.
Okay.
You be
So
careful, my love.
I'm gonna remove this. Like so. And then we noticed, oh my gosh, they put silicone around that.
Silicone?
Well, yeah, very nice that they did that, but we need to remove. So we just use an ordinary box knife.
Okay.
Like
To sealed?
yeah. So that's nice, yeah?
Yeah.
That they were trying to do the right thing. Okay. Very nice.
Mahal, you need to turn off the connection first.
Oh my gosh, you tell me now? Oh my gosh, I love your style, eh?
Oh my gosh. For some reason, guys, pag nakakita ko ng wire, ako po ay natatakot. Mahal,
Okay, here
did
we
you
go.
just turn off?
You see, it's not on.
Okay.
Okay, so we're gonna remove this. This. And this. Now we'll save this light. Although we don't really need it because we have LED lights.
Opo.
So this one,
So, mas matipid, guys, pag LED.
we'll save this in here. So we can save it in there. Okay, I will get something to clean off that. Wait learning.
Okay. Hey.
Okay, welcome back.
Okay.
I think I said that already. Well, anyway, now we need something to clean off this, yeah?
Yes, mahal.
So, I'm just gonna take this chisel because it's sharp. We'll just remove some of this silicone, huh?
Opo.
If you want to cut here, we can come back. If they don't want to watch all this.
Mahal, be careful.
Bakit daw?
Oh my gosh. You need palo, mahal eh.
Okay. Actually, that's fine. We're good now.
Okay. What is
I'm
next, mahal?
gonna go grab the other light. We might be able to just use this bracket.
Oo. Yeah.
So,
Still good?
yeah, it's very good.
Okay.
Oh, they didn't tighten that up all the way. Man, oh man, why is that? Ow. I like it to be tight.
Okay.
Now, let's see.
Do you need help, mahal? So I can...
Just mental help, maybe? You know, what I'm trying to do here is see.
May gas, malamig na nga, umahangin.
Yeah, it looks like this
Lalo pang lumamig.
is going to be good. Yeah. Okay.
Busit, mahal.
Okay, very good. Now we can make the connection. Let me get the other screws.
Okay.
Are you ready? Because this is exciting. I feel like I'm more excited than you. I don't know why that is.
Because it is so cold.
Because you're cold and And I am mataba. Oh my gosh. So if you are very mataba like me, look at what I can do. I can hold something and I can work. Huh? How
Molly,
many
be
of you can
careful
say that?
there.
You know, I need to do that thing I like to do. Do you remember what that is?
What, my love?
I like to wrap that electrical tape.
Oh yes, of course, mahal.
That
That's
is
true eh.
like a trademark of me now.
Yeah,
I don't really
and
see that very often.
honestly, mahal.
You never see that, but an electrician taught me that.
Oh,
You know, professional.
yeah. Oo.
Although he's commercial,
Yeah.
maybe that's why this is
Yeah.
residential, but I don't care.
Yeah. Really, it depends on the person's personality too. But I find your works is really great, my love.
Oh, thank you. I try. I care about it. Okay, so I'm gonna let this hang for a minute. I'm gonna go get my electrical tape. I'll be right
You
back.
mean to say that is done na?
Yes, Mom. Tape? Then never mind.
Is it done na, mahal?
Oh my gosh, it is done by most people are gonna just put, but I like that additional step of this.
What is the next step?
And if anyone wants to know why, I'm happy to explain.
Okay.
But what this does is it wraps you in, right? You wrap the wire first,
Why was that?
then you go around the wire nut, and then the wire nut can never come off.
Oh, I see. To support.
It's not gonna just find a way to be loose.
Oh, I see.
I don't think it ever will become loose. But you know, he taught me that, and I'm in a habit now. So
Yeah, yeah.
I always just do. You
But that is not.
wrap the wires,
Yeah.
and you wrap.
So it's not hard, mahal.
No.
That is easy.
Yeah, very easy. It's additional steps, maybe not necessary.
But that is good.
Definitely not necessary on the ground wire. That's fine. So now we hold this up, we push this back in here like this, push this one back in this one, and then everybody's happy. Like that and like that.
Okay.
Okay, now we're gonna put like this. And like this. And like this. Oh, wait.
Do you want me to hold my lap?
Like this. Wait long. Okay. Does that look level? Looks level to me.
I will go check.
You know what I find
Yeah.
not great is
What?
I wish I had some black. I don't want to use white silicone
Yeah, that's true. Eh.
because I don't find that to be maganda.
Yeah. But is there any
There's a black. Should we just go buy?
black intended for something, like when it's cold?
Yeah, so it's not gonna look like this.
Yeah, man. So it's not looking funny. Maybe they just use the white because they just
Uh,
putting white
It
there.
looked fine because it was a white base.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. Yeah, I agree to you.
But we're not using a white base, so I feel it's gonna look fun.
Yeah, yeah. So we're gonna get the black mahal.
Very nice. We still put the rubber washer on, yeah?
Opo.
Later today it will turn on.
So guys, ayan, tapos na po. So for some reason guys, ay yung size ng small ay, ayan, parang okay naman na po dito guys. So, ayan. So, naikabit na ni husband guys. And, bibili na lang po kami ng black na sealer para lagyan po yung mga paligid. So, kahit na umuulan or mas snow, hindi siya mababasa sa loob. Ayan guys, thank you. Thank you po. Ang ganda.
Take it from your Uncle Jake. Folks was hearing about the old Canary
So
far and wide.
nice.
And they was
Wow.
wanting to come see what
So
all the fuss was
beautiful
about.
here.
I guess the highway department heard the buzz and got the hint, because even the highway signs signal the old Canary. So now nice folks like yourself have no trouble finding the greatest furniture store in the U.S. of A.
Guys, today po ay Thursday,
What do you think
October
it is that makes
31st.
the old Canary so different from other furniture stores?
I told
Well,
you.
it's lots of things, May. They have quality furniture, sofas, and recliners. Even handmade furniture and furniture made of real leather. But besides all the great furniture, they also have a railroad and a punch factory.
Wow, ang
You
ganda-ganda dito
folks are gonna
guys.
have a great
Ay,
day here at
guys,
the old
puro
Canary.
furnitures nila mga kakaiba.
One of the most
I love it guys.
They're all around the store. Yeah, I've got friends all over the place.
Ganda.
Even some of them.
Wow.
Folks at the old Canary Furniture Warehouse made us feel right at home and make shopping fun for all of you.
Ganda. Ganda guys. Ganda guys oh. My gosh, ang sarap mamili dito guys. Look at this. Guys, look at this po. Ang ganda oh. Kahoy po yan guys. Wood. And the price is now $6.98. Before $1,049 guys. Ang ganda-ganda dito guys. Ganda guys oh. Ganda. Guys, ang cute nito oh.
For a long wall.
Decoration guys oh. Mga birds po. And then look. Ganda guys. Ganda-ganda dito guys. Sarap mamili dito.
Look at this. I wanna get that.
Mahal. I want this one. Cute guys oh. Pan-display po. Look oh. Mahal. I wanna get that one. This one.
Okay.
Oh,
It's a
26.
special.
Yeah. Ang ganda
Okay.
guys.
Let's get it.
Ang ganda guys. Ang daming maganda dito. Another wood. Oh, another wood design for the table. Ang ganda guys. Oh. Diba guys? Ang ganda po. Oh. Ganda. Guys, look at this. Hello. Ang ganda guys. Cute guys. Oh. Ang ganda guys. So cute. Oh, it's moving. Ang ganda. Yes, tingnan yung mga design. Ganda. Ang dami guys, magaganda. Cute guys.
There's another train.
Many trains in here, guys. It's coming. Daming magaganda dito, guys. Ayan po. Hi guys! Good afternoon po. So, happy Thursday guys. So guys, dahil sa sobrang dami ko pong ginagawa at marami kaming inaasikaso, so I decided na sige na nga po, gamitin na nga po itong dishwasher po. Ito po ay so guys, ayan, may nakalagay na steam, and then ito guys ay rocks, chopper blade, stainless steel tub. Ayan guys, and then ayan, may nakalagay din na power blast, auto, normal, quick, rinse, cycles, delay, and then may high temp, may sanitize, heated dry. Ayan guys, yung control lock, hold 3 seconds, yung cancel drain, start resume. So guys, gamitin na po ito. At ito po ay my tag. So ayan guys. Ayan po. And then ito guys. So ito guys yung ano po, yung powder na soap. Ayan. So design po siya talaga para po sa ating dishwasher guys. Ayan siya. Inalis na lang po ni husband sa box at sinalin dito sa jar po na ito kasi nasira yung kanyang pinaka-box. Ayan. So open natin guys. Kailangan ko na ng tulong mo kasi guys, ako po ay halos araw-araw talaga guys. I mean, kahit available to, ay nagmamanual pa rin po ako. Or yung nakasanayan ko talaga na hinuhugasan ko po siya talaga ng manual. Ayan, kagaya ng ginagawa ko sa Pilipinas. So, but ngayon, time na para gamitin at i-try po ito. So, ito po, first time namin gagamitin guys. And so, yun namang aking ilalagay dito guys, so open natin, ay totally malilinis po na nasa cabinet. Pero dahil kasi naglipat kami, so gusto ko naman siya guys na malinis na mabuti. So open natin guys. Ayan po. So ayan yung loob niya. Ayan. Ang ganda guys, oh. So this one is stainless steel guys. So ito yung kanyang rack. Ayan guys. And then lalagay ko lang siya ng maayos dyan. Ayan po. Ayan siya guys. Ayan. Ganda guys. Ayan po. So gamitin na natin. Ayan. Para matesting natin guys. Ayan po. So, ayan guys. So guys, ayan po, nakikita nyo po, malilinis po yung mga yan guys. Kaya lang kasi, alam ko may mga alikabok na. Kasi nga po, dun sa aming paglilipat, ayan. So, ito mga nasa cabinet lang. Pero, para sure na malinis, maalis yung mga alikabok na napunta po dyan. So, ayan guys, kita nyo po ba guys, may mga ano pa po, may mga sticker pa. Ayan po, galing to sa IKEA. Ayan guys. And then yun guys ay like Pyrex. So, inilagay ko lang na ganyan. So, ask ko si husband kung okay lang ba yan. Kasi parang ayaw ko na muna mag-alis ng sticker. Parang gusto ko malinis na kaagad. Ayun. And then, ayan guys, yun dun sa baba. So, yun lang yung nilagay ko po sa baba. Ayan. Ayan po. So, yan. Okay, guys. Hi, guys. So, update po. Alisin na lang muna natin to guys. Hindi naman pala siya mahirap tanggalin. Ayan. Para malinis, guys. Ayun. Sige po. Guys, so ayan, natanggal na po natin yung stickers. And ready na siya, guys. Okay. Guys, ayan po. Si husband po ang mag-start guys. Ayan. Ayan, para ma-film natin.
Yeah, you put the soap in there, Mama.
Okay, my love. So, ayan guys.
It spills a little, it's okay.
So, ayan guys. Diyan po yung soap. Lagay natin yung soap dyan. Ayan.
Soap or is it snow? Maybe it's just a little snow. Huh? Maybe I trick you. I'm gonna not fill it all the way.
Mahal, what is happening?
And then like this.
Yes, mahal.
Wait lang.
Mahal, what if...
Wait langing. I don't mean wait lang. What is happening? I didn't read the instruction manual. Okay. It's okay now. Then we just close. Then you're gonna
Okay.
set it.
Okay.
You're gonna set it and forget it. Okay, we're gonna hit the start button
Okay, start button.
and then we're gonna select we want the quick
There is
or
a
the
normal,
normal.
the
Let's
quick,
go
or
with just the
rinse.
normal.
Yeah, normal.
See what's gonna happen. Now we can put the delay, but we don't want to do that. We just want it to go. We don't need the heated dry, so we're gonna remove that. We're gonna
Okay.
let it be not high temp or sanitized, although those are options. We're just gonna hit the start button over here.
Okay.
Okay, ready? There you go.
Okay.
Oh, you hear that? That's the sound of clean. Huh? Yeah, ayan. The water's spilling.
Ayan, guys. So, ayan. Sabi nga ni husband ay set it and forget it, mahal.
Yeah, for you, you don't even need to set it. You just forget it. I'm the one setting it, so you forget to set, and then you also forget. How about that?
Mapapalo ko talaga
Because
to
I
si
love
husband.
you.
I love you, mahal. So, guys, ayan po. So, hayaan muna natin dyan. And mamaya, pag natapos, ay papakita ko po sa inyo po kung ano nangyari dun sa loob. Okay, guys. So, dumaan lang kami dito para makita po yung itsura sa gabi. Ayan. Ang ganda, guys. Oh. Talagang nag-effort sila, guys, ayusan yung harapan ng kanilang bahay po.
Look inside too.
Yeah. They have, ano mahal eh, many decorations.
Opo.
Oh my God.
Go this way.
Okay. Guys, another staple. So guys, ito na po yung ipinalit namin. So yung una namin nakuha ay hindi po right size. So ito na yung tamang size niya. Hi guys! Good morning! Happy Saturday po! Ayan. So guys, we are selling ito pong aming stove or range. Ayan guys, this is like so afternoon na pala guys. Ayan guys. Ayan, meron siyang timer dyan. May time on and off siya dyan. So guys, ito po ay brand ng Frigidaire. And ayan guys. So nakita nyo po ay naka-light on siya dyan sa hot surface kasi po ay ginamit ko siya. And then actually guys, ito lang po yung burner na nagagamit namin. So ito po yung quick boil. But the rest, ayan yung 4 po ay hindi pa po namin yan nagagamit. Ayan. So palagi kapag ako po ay halimbawa magluluto, so ito lang yung ginagamit ko guys. And mabilisan lang kasi everyday halos umaalis po kami. So this is brand new. Nung lumipat po kami dito, so nandito na po ito. Pero kasi gusto namin siyang palitan guys ng induction po. Yun. So, ayan guys, may nakalagay na element on, Then, kapag ginamit nyo guys at naka-light on, so ibig sabihin, mainit pa rin talaga yan. So, meron siya dyan hot surface guys. And then, ayan guys, nakalagay bake, broil, self-clean, set clock. And then, may oras po siya dyan. May orasan. And then, open, free heat, door lock. Ayan. May timer on and off. Tapos yung bake time. And then, off. And then, start time. So, ayan siya guys. Ayan po. Ayan. Ayan po. And then, open natin guys. Para makita po natin sa loob. Pasensya na guys, basa yung aking mga kamay kasi po nagugas ako ng kamay. So, ayan guys. So, makikita naman po talaga na brand new. Di pa po namin yan nagamit. Ayan. Just happen na gusto ni husband yung induction po. Yun yung gusto na mabili. Ayun. So, guys, ito po ay kapag binili nyo po sa Home Depot now, ito po ay on sale for $7.98. So, round off na lang natin. So, sabihin na natin 800 guys. But, we are selling, o gusto lang ni husband na maialis po ay, so, we're selling for half price, which is $400 po. Ayan guys. So, bagong-bago po yan. Ayan. Ayan guys. Ayan. Ang ganda guys. Ano po? So, jumbo siya guys. Malaki po at heavy. Ayan. So, yun po guys. Salamat po. Hi guys. So, ayan. Tapos na po. And then, tingnan natin guys kung ano na po nangyari sa ating mga nilagay po doon na mga babasagin sa loob. So, open natin siya guys. Ang ating dish dryer. Ayan. So guys, malinis na. Kumukuti-kuti tap. Ayan. So happy ako guys. Malaking bagay sa akin to guys. Kasi instead na imamanual ko po siya lagay na lang natin dyan. Kasi sayang naman. Meron akong dishwasher pero hindi ko naman ginagamit. Pero ayan guys. So hindi naman siya totally marurumi po. Parang alikabok lang. Ayan. Galing sa paglilipat. Ayan. Okay. And then, ayun guys, yung sa baba. Ayan. So, malinis na din siya guys. Aha. So, yun po guys. Maraming salamat po. Ayan. So, thank you dishwasher. Ayan. Alam nyo naman guys, kahit po, alam nyo na, may mga ganito dito at high-tech talaga sila, ay, parang, okay lang naman, naguhugas po ako ng manual. But, pag hindi na kaya, syempre, iba din naman yung meron pong ganito guys. So, thank you! Thank you guys! Salamat po! Hi my love!
Hello there.
Okay, mahal.
Ano?
What you did in here,
I
mahal?
installed a new thermostat.
Oh, so this is brand new, my love?
Yeah, so if you want to make it go up, it's 70 degrees, has the time, the date.
Wow.
You can program it to go on or off at certain times.
Oh, that is nice.
Yeah.
Where is the other?
This is what we had before. Actually, of course, it looks,
Oh, okay,
looks
mahal.
something like this.
Opo.
Little nalugi, ha?
Yeah.
This is called an analog.
Okay, my love.
Yeah, so, it's
Okay.
a coil in there. When it gets hot or cold, it
Okay.
moves. Not very accurate like this.
Oh, okay, mahal. So, ayun guys, ni-replace po ni husband yung
What
aming...
can you say about
Oh,
that?
that's very nice, mahal. So, yung thermostat, guys, na nandito
I'll
na
have to
po.
open to see if that's mercury in there. I don't think it is, because that's hazmat. Oh no, not mercury. So it's not so old. The old ones have mercury, and you can't just throw them away. This we can just throw. It's a
Okay.
magnet.
So guys, ayan po, pinalitan na ni husband ng
It's got a nice little light in there.
yeah, so this is Honeywell home, guys, and looking much nicer. Very nice, guys. Ayan, so pinalitan niya po. So bago na yan, guys. Ayan. Thank you, guys. Hi, guys. So guys, eto po, pinalitan na din ni husband yung thermostat po na nandito. So, ito yung ipinalit ni husband. Ito po ay Honeywell Home. Ayan, so meron siya dyan timer, guys. And then, ayan po, nakalagay yung pan auto. And then the heat, yung mood niya po. And then the menu, the fan, the temporary hold. So, guys, ito siya. Ayan. Ito yung box niya. So, T5, 7-day programmable thermostat. Extra large, easy to read display. Ayan guys, so meron siyang auto change from heat to cool, your schedule, your way, smart response, compatible with most systems, heat and cooling. So ayan siya guys. Ito po. Ayan. So, ganda niya guys, no? Kasi po yung dati ay maliit lang po. Yung mga normal na nakikita ko po dati. But this one is maganda po siya. Ayan. So, thank you guys.
Dalawa.
Guys, here comes the train. Dalawa. Oh my gosh. So long, man.
Opo.
Oh, dalawa guys.
The ground is shaking.
Yeah. Guys, ayan, gumagalaw kami dahil ang bigat po ng kanilang mga karga. Oh my gosh. Ayan. The ground is shaking, guys. Haba po. Ayan. Kaya yung ating pag-feel nag-shake din, guys. Kasi gumagalaw po yung ground. Wow! Oh, that is very long.
Opo.
Guys, oh.
And very heavy. You can see why it's
Yeah.
so hard for them to stop.
Yes, mahal. At sobrang bigat, guys. Ayan, guys. Sumasayaw-sayaw ang aking pag-feel. Kasi po, ay, sumishake-shake din kami.
Here comes the caboose.
Oh my God, kabus! Ayun, guys. Natatanaw ko na yung kanyang dulo. Ayan, ang aking train. Ayan. You know.
That's just another inch.
Guys, we are in Lowe's. Ayan, guys. Tumitingin kami ng kahoy. Yeah, bibili siya
Oh,
pa ng
it's this
kahoy,
one.
guys. Hinihingal ako, guys.
This one. But I don't remember where.
Okay, mahal. Just look eh. Guys, good afternoon po. So, it's 3:50 na po ng hapon. And kagagaling lang namin sa Trader Joe's, guys. And ito po ang aming dinner ni husband. So, ayan guys. Lulutuin na to ni husband. Ayan po. Sorry guys, hinihingal na naman ako. Kasi, nagmadali ako dun sa hagdan. Okay, so guys, ito po yung binili namin sa Fred Meyer. Ayan, great idea for dinner tonight. Ayan, may nakalagay na save 25%. So guys, ito po yung codfish, white fish, and then ayun guys, nakalagay California garlic medley seasoned with salt, dehydrated bell pepper, dehydrated garlic, black pepper, dehydrated onion, sugar, celery, parsley flakes, natural flavor, fully refined soybean oil. Ayan. processing it. Okay, guys. Ayan, ipapakita ko po sa inyo, guys. Habang niluluto ni husband. Okay, guys. Codfish. Hi, guys! So, guys, ayan, hinati po ni husband. So, kinat niya po. Kasi po ay malaki. So, ito siya, guys. Open natin po, ah.
Hey,
Ay! Ay!
I am cooking in there.
Oh my gosh! Yes, mahal! Ayan, guys.
You're disturbing my timer.
So, may timer si husband, guys.
I
Ayan.
have system A.
Yeah, wait natin yan, guys po. At ipapakita ko po sa inyo, ha. Ito po yung other half nung fish. Ayan. So, guys, mahal, how many minutes
3 minutes each side.
Okay, so guys, ayan po, 3 minuto kada kabilang, ano ba yun? Gilid? Sides? Basta yun, guys. Para ibiling ni husband ay needs to be
Are you joking me? It's
3
gonna be
minutes done.
delicious. Maraming masarap.
Guys, ayan. So,
Really so hot. Okay, that wasn't
ni
good.
husband.
Yeah, I know. I don't have a spatula. Careful. There.
Oh my gulay. Ang galing, guys, pinlip ni husband. So guys, pasensya na kayo, wala kaming spatula. Kasi po ay hindi ko alam kung saan sa mga nakatambak pa namin gamit sa garage. Kasi di pa talaga totally kami po nakakatapos or nakapag-umpisa at hindi pa kami nangangalahati actually, guys. Kasi inaasikaso po namin yung aming pong condo. So, dun muna ang aming focus. Kaya, ang mga gamit namin hindi pa totally naayos, guys. Di pa na-organize. Ayan, guys. Tingnan natin. Sarap. Ang bango, guys.